Good morning students. Today our topic is main components of laser. So to construct any laser, we require three important components. Those are nothing but source of energy, active medium and optical cavity. So this is the diagram for the main components of laser. So this is a glass tube. In that glass tube we place the active medium. So this is the source of energy. From the source of energy, the energy is absorbed by the active medium and population inversion is achieved in active medium. Stimulation emitted takes place and the emitted radiation comes into the glass tube. Here two mirrors are used. These mirrors amplifies the coming stimulated radiation in the glass tube, and that amplified output is nothing but our laser beam. So come one by one. The source of energy. Already we said when we supply sufficient amount of energy, the active medium absorbs the energy and the population gets excited. So more population is accumulated in the higher energy level, then population inversion is achieved. So that is the use of source of energy. So to get laser beam, population inversion, PI means population inversion should be achieved. The source of energy supplies sufficient amount of energy to the active medium. So thereby the atoms or molecules gets excited and population inversion is achieved. Next, go to the active medium. So active medium is nothing but in which medium the population inversion is achieved. That medium is called active medium. Simply the medium in which the population inversion is achieved, that medium is called active medium. So come here. In this medium, population inversion is achieved and stimulated emission of radiation takes place. So for example, we have different types of laser. So come to ruby laser. In ruby laser, the active medium is chromium ions. Cr plus 3 ions means those are chromium ions. So come to our Nd YAG laser. Nd YAG laser means neodymium, yttrium, aluminium, garnet. Neodymium, yttrium, aluminium, garnet laser. The active medium is neodymium ions. Nd plus 3 ions. So the active medium is Nd plus 3 ions. That means in Nd the population inversion is achieved. Come to helium neon laser. One more example. In helium neon laser, the active medium is neon ions. So in neon gas, the population inversion is achieved in helium neon laser. In NdYAG laser, in neodymium atoms, population inversion is achieved. Come to ruby laser. In chromium atoms, the population inversion is achieved. So in different types of laser, there are different active mediums in which population inversion is achieved. So next one, optical cavity. So one more part is optical cavity. So optical cavity is nothing but it is a glass tube or discharge tube. In this discharge tube or glass tube, we place the active medium. So this glass tube contains two mirrors. One mirror is fully coated mirror, another mirror is partially coated. So this construction is called cavity or optical resonator. This is known as optical resonator or optical cavity. It is nothing but a glass tube which contains two mirrors. One is the fully coated silver mirror, another one is the partially coated mirror. So when the stimulated radiation enters into the glass tube, it suffers the radiation. The light suffers multiple reflections because of these mirrors. So the entered light incident on this mirror, it gets reflected and again reflections takes place. In those multiple reflections, the light beam gets amplified. Amplified means the intensity of light is increased. So the amplification is done by these two mirrors, that is nothing but by the optical cavity. The amplification is done by the optical cavity, and the amplified and intense beam comes out from the partially coated mirror, which is nothing but our laser beam. So this is the use of optical cavity in the laser. So the active medium is enclosed in a cavity. It consists of perfectly reflective mirror at one end or at the left, and the partially reflective mirror at the right end. The reflecting portion of the mirror reflects the light radiation and amplifies the stimulated emission of radiation. As a result, laser beam is produced, which comes out from partially coated mirror. So these are the main parts of laser. One is the source of energy, which is used to pump the atoms. Another one is the active medium, in which population inversion is achieved. Third one is the optical cavity. Because of this optical cavity or optical resonator, the laser beam gets amplified. Thank you.